Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Mosaic 4D massage chair. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it is going to be in one large box. Once you have cut the straps, remove the top of the box and set aside. Remove the packaging materials surrounding the chair and then lift and remove the rest of the box. Once you have uncovered the main body of the chair, discard the plastic wrapping. Now let's move the chair out of the box base. Apply pressure to the back of the chair from behind to pivot onto the rear casters. Be sure to brace one foot against the bottom to provide better leverage. Lower the footrest into its resting position and then remove the protective covering. Remove the accessory bag and set aside. In the accessory bag, we have the remote tablet holder, one power cord, the assembly guide, a quick start guide, the user manual, and lastly, the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Now let's install the seat cushion. Remove the protective fabric from the Velcro and lower the cushion into place. Zipper the enclosures on both sides of the seat. To finish installing, line up the Velcro on the chair body with the Velcro on the seat cushion, and then zipper the closure between the seat cushion and the flap on top of the footrest. Now remove the tablet from its protective cover and set it on the seat. Next, locate the tablet holder from the accessory bag and place the tablet holder in the tablet holder mount and screw in clockwise to secure it into place. Place the tablet remote into the tablet holder, then tuck away its cord inside the chair. Next, locate the power cord and plug it into the respective port on the back side of the base of the chair. Flip the main power switch on. Now power on the chair by pressing the power button located on the top right-hand corner of the remote tablet. Your chair is now fully assembled. Feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your new Mosaic 4D premium massage chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.